Hi everyone, welcome back to my new video. यो चाहिँ मेरो डिज्नील्यान्डको पार्ट 2 भिडियो हो. पार्ट 1 चाहिँ हेरिसक्नु भयो होला. यदि हेर्नु भएको छैन भने मेरो च्यानलमा गएर हेरिदिनु होला. अनि अहिले चाहिँ हामी एडभेन्चरल्यान्डतिर जाँदैछौँ. यहाँ चाहिँ हामी बोटमा चढेर पुरा जङ्गल घुम्नेछौँ र जङ्गलमा भएको जीवजन्तुहरू पनि हेर्नेछौँ.
Although some lines may look longer than others, you may have to stay for each view. Enjoy. Come on. More fun, I'm telling you. I'm serious. Yeah, sit closer to me.
Sorry, the bag you need to hold by yourself.
Sorry.
The bag you need to hold
Bags
by
off.
yourself.
Alright. You can also sit at the middle. The middle seat is the VIP seat. Feel free of charge. Come on. Best view ever. I'm serious. Come on, hello. Hello, best view ever. Nobody? Alright. Fasten your seatbelt, please. Fasten your seatbelt. No, there's no seatbelt. I'm joking. Let's say bye-bye to them. Bye-bye. And we will never see them again. Every night in my dreams, I feel you. Are you my Rose? I'm your Jack. Alright, on behalf of the Jungle Navigation Company, welcome everyone to the world famous Jungle River Crew. I'm your skipper, my name is Snowman. Here's a couple rules in my boat. First, remain seated and please keep your hands and arms inside my boat and take care of your children, even though they're not your favorite one. Alright, please look at your right hand side. This is the Tyson treehouse. There's a lot of scientists doing their research right now. And now we can say hello to your right. Hello. Are you joking? There's nobody's around. I'm just kidding. Alright guys, longest river in the world, 4,000 miles. What do you see at the front?
Oh, that's elephant.
Elephant. There's a mother elephant and a baby elephant. Let's say hello to them. Hello. Do I sound like an elephant? You might? Thank you guys. You just made my day. And this is the brown elephant. You see those wrinkles? He must be in the water for a long time. Alright, here it comes. Let's get wet. Here we go. You better get down, get down, get down, get down. You're gonna get wet. I'm just joking. I'm sorry guys, we're in the wrong way. I've never been here before. I'm sorry. What do you see at your left? What do you see? Spider? No. That is no, I'm just joking. That is spider. The most poisonous spider in the world. So please keep your hands and arms inside my boat. Now what? What do you see? Snakes? We better keep quiet. You can't see us. Alright, my boat is stopped. No. actually is like us, okay? Friend, my best friend, Dr. Shaq. Hello, Dr. Family. Where the sun from? Get down, get down. Help, help, help. Nobody is trying to help me. I am very disappointed, really.
Sorry.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the African Safari. So tell me, how to identify the male zebra and the female zebra? Speechless? No one know the answer? No. I should send you guys back to school. For those zebra, look at the right hand side is female. You know why? Because women always right. Agree? Gentlemen, please bear in mind you are welcome. Alright, let's keep moving. Oh, what's in the water? I hate those hippos. Those hippos just broke my bones a few weeks ago. They are my friends and colleagues. Hello, Dr. Jack. Do you need help? Anyone would like to save them? Unbelievable, really? They are my friends. So you guys treat friends like that? I'm sorry, Dr. Shaq, not my idea. Their idea. Believe me now. I just lost a friend because of you. We are at the locals' home now. Tell me, what is the first thing you have to do when you visit somebody's home? Say hello. Any presents for them? Hello. Get down, get down. Wow. Anyone get hurt? See, I told you. You have to say hello and bring presents for them. Fine. We'll be back soon. Aha! There's a dot over there. We are going back home now, ladies and gentlemen. So tell me, guys, do you guys like the trip? Can you give me a big hand? Give me a clap. Louder! Any survivors? Give yourself a big hand, come on! You got the and keep your hands and arms inside my boat and take care of your children. Alright, let's go home. If you like the trip, if you like me, you can write me a love letter. And please remember my name is Snowman, but if you don't like me, my name is Snow White. What's my name again? Yeah, I think you guys like me. Who says Snow White? You will get an apple soon. Alright, give me a couple seconds to stop my boat. Alright, my boat is stopped. You're free to go. Thank you very much. I love you guys. the one desire.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye. I'm your Jack.